Follow these steps to install KODA's Pro Series round LED ceiling lights. Caution: turn off the main power at the fuse or circuit breaker before installing the lighting fixture or making any electrical connection. Please note that you're responsible for reading all safety precautions provided in the instruction manual. Consult with a qualified electrician for any electrical questions. Before installation, select your desired color temperature via the switch on the back of the fixture. Install the mounting plate to the outlet box using the provided mounting screws. Adjust the orientation of the mounting plate to your desired angle. Make the following spliced wire connections using the wire nuts provided. Never connect the ground wire to the hot or neutral power supply wires. First, connect the black hot wire to the hot supply wire. This will most likely be black or colored. Second, connect the white neutral to the neutral supply wire. This will most likely be white. Third, connect the green and yellow ground wire to the supply ground wire. This will most likely be bare copper, a green wire, or a green and yellow wire. If your house does not provide a ground wire, wrap the mounting plate's green and yellow wire around the green ground screw on the junction box. Screw the wire nuts in a clockwise direction until tight. Make sure no bare wire or wire strands are visible. After making the connections, check for tightness by pulling the wires. Carefully place all the wires and wire connections in the outlet box. Align the fixture spring clips to mounting plate holes. Push the fixture until the clips snap into the bracket. Pro Series ceiling lights work with most standard LED dimmer switches. To change color temperature later, place hands on the glossy triangles at each end of the fixture's rim. Pull down hard to disengage the fixture from the plate.